Leo Track Installation Guide, Single Track and Wall Mounting. Track Installation Kit. Installation Tools. Preparation 1. Insert the connector into the grooves of both track. And press the sections together firmly until they are securely joined. Preparation 2. Adjust the bracket tab if necessary. You can adjust the position of the bracket tab to meet your installation needs. Step 1. Mark the mounting position on the wall. Step 2. Punch holes for mounting. Step 3. Insert the expansion screws. Step 4. Secure the mounting bracket with screws. Last step. Snap the track into the bracket until it's clicked in.